All right, my dudes, I'm going to be showing you how to change the alarm sound on your iPad Pro M4. And customizing the alarm sound on your iPad Pro is a great way to start your day with your favorite tune or a sound that is less jarring. The process is straightforward, and I will help you get this done quickly. But first, why change your alarm sound? To me, is all about personal preference. Waking up to a sound you like can make mornings more pleasant. Plus, using a unique sound can help you distinguish between multiple alarms set for different purposes. Okay, so to make this happen, find the clock app on your iPad Pro's home screen. It's a native app that comes pre-installed on all iPads. Next, tap on the alarm tab at the bottom of the screen, then tap the plus icon in the upper right corner to create a new alarm and set the desired time for your alarm. Now the fun part, selecting the sound. Within the alarm settings, tap on sound. This will bring up a list of available alarm sounds. You can choose your sound and scroll through the list to explore the pre-installed alarm sounds. Tap on each sound to preview it. Anyways, it's really that easy, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tip. I would like to end things playing a little Killer Instinct on the iPad Pro M4 because, well, the game is awesome. Hope you enjoy it. Tap that like, and let's run it. This, I wanted to recommend you guys check out Ignition Poker. You know, I think most of us enjoy playing poker in our free time, and this is a great place to do just that. I've currently been playing on Ignition for the last 7 years and regularly tear things up at the mid-stake games. They've got amazing software for playing on your phone or PC and also offer you the ability to play both free and real money games. And with lots of cash games running 24 hours a day and millions of dollars in monthly tournament prizes, you should be asking yourself, what am I doing here? I need to check out Ignition Poker ASAP. Of course, if you guys would like to learn more about them, there will be some bonus and resource links for them directly below in the description of this video.
Got what it takes to beat the great.